Mũingĩ ũrĩa wĩikara hakuhĩ na nyanjara cia nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩ ũrutĩirwo mũkana wa kũrĩa nyama itarĩ thũrime nĩ maabitha a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa andũ erĩ gũkua na angĩana gũtwarwo thibitarĩ-inĩ gũkĩrĩkana nĩ thutha wa kũrĩa nyama ya ng'ondu ĩrerĩkana ĩrarĩ na mũrimũ wa
Yes, daktari.
Kabisa. Nijue kama naweza.
So we are really advocating and telling people to report cases of dead animals to our surveillance officers, both in agriculture and health, so that we initiate the steps to monitor as government. If you see an animal that is oozing blood from the open areas of the body, that is one of the symptoms or the signs that an animal may be infected with anthrax. On the human side, usually it presents, whether it's cutaneous anthrax, it presents with blisters on the skin, and we are urging the people, if they see or they suspect any of these signs, they present themselves to public health facilities and they will be able to be assisted.